Well, it's Tuesday at our law firm, and like always, we receive a lot of questions from Pennsylvania residents driving into New Jersey. And while traffic is not a big part of our criminal practice, we do get a lot of questions regarding traffic offenses. Obviously, these, for the most part, aren't the crimes of the century, but they're obviously important to people, so we're here to answer questions about traffic offenses too. One of the biggest questions that we get is, will the points transfer to my Pennsylvania license if I'm stopped for a moving violation in New Jersey and cited? So it's important to understand that according to PennDOT, insurance points, or just points as people know them as, will not transfer over for what PennDOT classifies as minor traffic offenses. So it begs the question, what is considered a minor traffic offense? Well, we did a little research here. I had one of our interns do some research, and what we found out is that speeding is actually considered a minor traffic offense, but something like reckless driving is not. Really, anything where your license is going to be suspended in New Jersey has the potential to be transferred with regards to points in Pennsylvania. And with regards to the suspension, remember, New Jersey can't take a Pennsylvania driver's license, but they're certainly going to report it to Pennsylvania. So things like reckless driving, drag racing, careless driving, where someone is seriously injured or killed, will result in a license suspension in New Jersey. So things like that will carry over. Now, careless driving with nothing else involved, that's an arguable point, but speeding certainly will not transfer over. Now, that being said, I know if you are certain miles per hour over the limit, I think it's 30, New Jersey, I know Pennsylvania will suspend your driver's license for 15 days. So it's interesting to see if New Jersey, just on the flip side, if you're a Jersey driver, what will Jersey do with that? So just remember that it comes down to whether or not it's considered a major moving violation. If you have questions about this in Pennsylvania, 215-755-9000. In New Jersey, 856-793-7429. The biggest piece of advice that I would give anyone, if you're stopped for a moving violation and cited, don't simply plead guilty and mail in the citation, even if the police officer says it's not a big deal, it's a small little fine, because quite frankly, the officer may not fully understand the law. He or she may not be aware with regards to insurance points, how many points it actually carries. Obviously, he or she may not be aware of your previous driving history if it is not readily accessible, or somehow you may have just moved to the state, or whatever reason. Just keep in the back of your mind, always, always, always consult with an attorney regarding what you should do, especially if the offense is going to carry points and or a license suspension. So again, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania. In New Jersey, 856-793-7429. Our website, GamboneLaw.com. Once again, a tremendous resource for you and your family. It has my blogs, my books, a lot of free content that will help you with your criminal case. I'm probably going to do an article on this, and when I do, I will link it in with this video. I hope you're all doing well, and I will talk to you all soon. Have a great day.